it's Vince and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm eating pasta. But not just any pasta. Today I'm going to be trying 2 different vegan cheese sauces from Hungryroot.com. Now if you guys don't know about Hungryroot, I've been making videos about them for about a year, so if you're curious, you can go ahead and check out any of my videos. I'll make sure to link my playlist below. They are providing wholesome, delicious foods delivered to your door. You can either get their meals and create the meals yourself. The recipes are really easy to put together. Or you can take something like the cheese sauce and add it to something like pasta and create your own meal. So Hungryroot is really versatile. They're coming up with a lot of new products in 2019. So let's go ahead and give these a try. Oh, by the way, if you want to try Hungryroot, there is a special coupon code, but I'm not going to give it to you till the end of the video. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have 2 different sauces. This is the garlic parm, which is kind of like Alfredo, and this one is the cashew cheddar, which is more like nacho cheese style, I guess you could say. The cashew cheddar is made from cashews, onions, carrots, almond butter, tapioca starch, sea salt, distilled vinegar, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, sunflower lecithin, natural flavor. That's what's in the cashew cheddar. Let's give that a try. Am I the only person that eats pasta with a spoon? I'm Italian, what can I say? You gotta get it. Here's what you do. You take your spoon and you twist your noodles onto your fork and then you twist it around on the spoon. So you get a perfect bite. Oh yeah, look at that. That's perfect. By the way, I just want to say, we only made a 1/4 pound of pasta because I'm not a monster, okay? I'm not here to eat 3 pounds of spaghetti on camera. I'm not one of those people. I'm just literally trying both of these sauces. So, my first reaction to this sauce is that it tastes like the old recipe that of the Hungryroot cheese sauce. In one of my last videos, I said that it might be a new recipe. It tastes the same, so it's probably the same. There is a flavor to it. It almost for me personally, I love the flavor of nutritional yeast. So if I had some, I'd probably put more on here, but it has a pretty mild flavor. This sauce itself is a little thicker than the garlic parm. This is linguine. I think linguine is my favorite pasta. I don't know why. I think because the noodles are flat, I can twist them up a little better. And I don't know, I like twisting the noodles on a spoon. So, this sauce is nice and thick. I'll show you guys. It's thick. It would actually work really well as a dip. You could use this for dipping veggies. I have a video where I make nachos with this sauce, because it does go on like liquid and then you can bake it in the oven. It's good. It does have a very mild flavor, I will say. It's not like a sharp, cheesy flavor. It's just more like creamy. You get that creaminess. It's really good on pasta. And one really cool thing about Hungryroot is they have a ton of veggie noodles as well as gluten-free pastas that they're adding to their repertoire. So you can combine this cashew cheddar sauce with any of their pastas, or like I did, I just took some regular old linguine and put it on that. I remember the first time I went to an Italian restaurant and I was served a spoon with my pasta, and I remember asking my parents what that was for, and they explained to me that that's what it's for. If you're hearing a lot of weird noise, they're taking out the recycling right now, so it's very loud. So, that's that one. I think I want to try the garlic parm now. So, the garlic parm has almond butter, onions, tapioca starch, it's New York. Almond butter, onions, tapioca starch, vinegar, sea salt, garlic powder, soy lecithin, natural flavor. Not soy lecithin, sorry. Let me try that again. Almond butter, onions, tapioca starch, vinegar, sea salt, garlic powder, sunflower lecithin. Which I'm guessing is sort of like an oily product that helps it from separating. That's my guess. Pretty good ingredients. 2 tablespoons is 35 calories, only 3 grams of fat, 0 cholesterol, and only 2 grams of carbs. No added sugar. And also, this one, it would be considered paleo, gluten-free. This one would also be. Yeah. And this one has 30 calories, 0 cholesterol, 2 carbs, 1 protein. So this is a great option if you're watching your calories, if you're trying to cut down on your dairy intake. I know a lot of people are trying to cut back on their dairy, and I mean, if I can eat something that tastes like fettuccine Alfredo and not feel guilty about it, that's the goal, always. The flavor is very mild. For me personally, I'd probably add more garlic, just because that's me. I like to jazz everything up with extra spices. But it does taste like Alfredo. 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, and only 35 calories in 2 tablespoons. And I did just put the serving size. So this was a 1/4 pound of linguine, and then I split it between 2 servings. So this is an actual serving size. One of these plates is a serving size of pasta. Plus that, it's probably like, each plate is 300 calories. Not bad. Yeah, this one's really good. Now, one thing I noticed about the garlic parm is that it's a little thinner of a sauce. In fact, I can't really show you because it's so thin that it would pour out, but it's thinner. And yet it did coat the noodles really nicely and spread all over this delicious pasta. I think between the two of these, I'm torn because they're 2 different flavors. We've got, the garlic parm really does have a garlicky flavor. The cashew cheddar has a mild flavor, yet it's got that more of a cheesiness to it. So, let me see. Oh yeah. So the garlic parm doesn't have any nutritional yeast in it, so that would explain that. So the cheesy flavor definitely comes from the nutritional yeast in the cashew cheddar. And in the garlic parm, there is no nutritional yeast, and that's why I'm not getting any cheesiness. Well, if I had nutritional yeast, I would definitely add some, because I love the taste, the cheesy taste of nutritional yeast. So, There you go. So I have a couple of the jazzy extras that Hungryroot is providing nowadays. This is the seed sprinkle. It has roasted pumpkin seeds, almonds, sesame seeds, spices, and salt. And it's really tasty. Serving size is actually 3 tablespoons. I'll probably only use like a teaspoon. But I'm gonna try this on my cashew cheddar. And it's gonna add a nice crunch. And this is the new probiotic sriracha hot sauce, which is basically a combination of kimchi and sriracha in one. This is right up my alley because I love the flavor of kimchi. I love the juice that comes in the kimchi jar. I'm just not always into eating an enormous hunk of fermented cabbage, if you know what I mean. So, I think this is more my speed, this fermented sriracha hot sauce. And I've never seen a hot sauce that actually has kimchi in it. I think that's really cool. So I'm just gonna try a little bit of this on my Alfredo. I love all the new stuff that Hungryroot is coming out with in 2019. They are appealing to everyone. They have some healthy meats, they have gluten-free pastas, they have these jazzy extras, they are coming out with more drinks and sides and all kinds of good stuff. That really adds something to it. It's crunchy, smoky, salty. This doesn't miss out on flavor. I mean, isn't everyone's first reaction to eating pasta just dumping Parmesan cheese on it? At least maybe that's just me, but this definitely doesn't miss out on flavor. This seed sprinkle adds a really nice, crunchy element to this. Now I'm going to try my Alfredo with the kimchi sauce. Thank you, Hungryroot. This stuff is amazing. It's so good. And I only use like a drop of it. It's so flavorful. Even just putting that tiny little bit on here, it adds so much flavor. And because the cheese sauce is so creamy, this just gives it an acid note that cuts through all of that creamy cashew, almond buttery creaminess. Very impressed with this. And the best part is that I get a huge bottle of it. I'm gonna try to make it last as long as I can. This is the first time I've ever seen it available, and I was like, yes, please, put that in my box this week. That's something I love about Hungryroot, is that you can go on there and customize what you get in your box. You can give feedback on the different recipes that they send you. Like, I hate jackfruit, okay? I'm just gonna say it. I hate jackfruit. And they do have a barbecue jackfruit. It's like pulled pork-ish. And it's just not my favorite. It's nothing against Hungryroot. I just hate jackfruit. Have you guys ever tried jackfruit as like a meat replacement? I can't get into it. Not my thing. But this is my thing. And this is my thing. And this is my thing. And I'm probably not even going to finish all this because I can't. I just literally can't. If you guys want to give Hungryroot a try, you should first of all check out my other videos because I do a lot of unboxing videos. I would like to make more review videos, and I'm going to hopefully do more videos where I compare products from Hungryroot and give you an honest review. I've been using this company for about a year to supplement my grocery shopping with healthy, wholesome foods, and they're delivered right to the door, which is super convenient, especially living in the city. I've had my Hungryroot boxes delivered to all the places that I've worked when I've worked out of state. They're doing some fantastic things with making these kinds of foods accessible to regular people. I think you guys should give it a try. So, coupon code time. If you want to give Hungryroot a try and get all these tasty ingredients sent to your door, then enter coupon code VINCE at checkout for $25 off your first 2 orders. That's a total savings of $50 off. You can choose what size box you want, depending on how many ingredients you want in your box each week. You can also customize what comes in your box. Each week, it seems like there's something new. They're always finding new and exciting items to offer. And they also take your feedback very seriously. They love to hear from their customers. They've always been very responsive to feedback, no matter who it comes from. And I love that about them. I also really like the packaging. I like the way it's shipped. Everything's always in really good condition, and I'm always satisfied with what I've been given by Hungryroot. So, check it out, give it a try, let me know what you think. And if you want to see more videos about Hungryroot, check out my Hungryroot video playlist. And until next time, I'll see ya. I can't eat anymore. I can't. How do people make mukbang videos, okay? I don't understand how people sit there and eat and eat and eat. I'm so full. I can't. I'm done. But thanks for coming by. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for later. This one's the cashew cheddar. Okay. And it has this like pumpkin seed sprinkle on it. It's really good.
Ooh. Do they tell you to make these, or you just like make up your own recipes?
You can literally take like any of the ingredients and just combine them into whatever you want.
I like it.
It tastes almost like mac and cheese.
I like the crunchy, what, pine nuts?
Pumpkin seeds. And it's like little almond slivers, spices. Yeah, this would be good on salads.
That's really good. It's like savory.
Yeah. And both of them are like 30 calories for 2 tablespoons. No cholesterol, so like a really good option, like if you're trying to cut back on that kind of stuff. And this one has a little drop of this like probiotic sriracha hot sauce.
Sriracha.
It's good.
Is it super hot?
No, I don't think so. And I really didn't put that much on there.
They're so different.
I know, isn't it? Like I was saying on the video that this is like super creamy, and this sauce really cuts that flavor with it like an acid taste. Oh,
that is good. Kind of reminds me of something. I can't think of what it is.
I'm so full, I can't eat anymore. This wasn't even that much. This is a 1/4 pound of pasta, which...
Snap. I don't quite want that much, but I guess we're going to do it anyways.
Eat it up. Eat it up.
It kind of tastes like wing sauce, almost. Like, I bet that would be really good on chicken, like a chicken wing.
That's a good idea. It's kind of chunky, too. Yeah, it says drizzle onto grain bowls, stir fries, soups, eggs, or anywhere else you like a little kick. I think it'd be really good on eggs.
Marinate with it? That'd be good too.
Yeah.
I like it. I think I like this one a little bit more. It almost tastes like the cousin to carbonara.
It does have a carbonara, you know.
It's because it's like
texture.
Savory and kind of salty. I like it.
Yeah. Thanks for trying.
Come on, Hungryroot.
I gotta clean this up now.